Hi, family. My name is Jeffrey Bass, man, the wise man. And I'm getting ready to drop a few nuggets of wisdom on you. And the topic is how to get started on YouTube. Let's get started. Getting started for me was daunting. It was a challenge. And the reason that it was a challenge was because I believed that I needed to have everything in place. I needed to have the perfect recording equipment. I needed to have the perfect editing software. I needed to have an audience. I needed all of these things to be in place. I needed to have the perfect topic. And so, as a result of me believing that and trying to get there, get all of those things before I got started, I never got started. So after getting started and getting some experience, I realized that I could have started a long time ago. But here are 5 things that I think is important for you to have in order to get started. The first thing is you need to have a topic. Make sure you have a topic. The second thing is recording equipment. Number 3 is your editing equipment, your editing software. What are you going to use to edit? Number 4 is your lighting. And last but not least is the space. Let's talk about those 5 things that you need to get started. Of course, you need a topic, and the topic is going to be your content. I believe that the content that you discuss should be something that you are well versed in. So while you're talking about it, you're comfortable doing so. The second thing is the apparatus that you're going to use to create the recording. You could use your cell phone, which I understand makes very good recordings. Uh, you could also use a camcorder, which I used in the beginning. I've also used my camera in the beginning. What I'm using at the present time is a webcam. The webcam that I'm using is a Logitech Brio 4K, and that seems to be working pretty good for me. So I'm gonna stick with that for a while. The next thing that I need to be concerned with is editing software. Now, if you have a computer, you probably have some editing software already on your computer. You probably have some editing software on your cell phone. Uh, when I started using my camera came with some editing software included in the setup package, as well as my camcorder. It came with some editing software with the setup package as well. However, I am currently using my 4K Brio Logitech webcam, and I'm using the Adobe Rush software to edit my videos. I have used Adobe Premiere Elements. I've also used Nero Platinum Suite software to edit my videos. And however, the Adobe Rush seems to be the most user friendly for me at this particular time. 4 is lighting. I need good lighting so that I'm not have a lot of shadows around my face and that you can see me clearly. The last thing is the space. Make sure that the space is one that you're comfortable in, one that has that can have good lighting. Make sure that the space has no distractions, no background noises. And if you got those 5 things, then you are well on your way. So let's go over them one last time. You need to have a topic. Topic should be something that you are well versed in and comfortable talking about. 2, you need some recording apparatus, which you could use your cell phone, you could use your webcam, you could use your camera, or you could use a camcorder. The third thing is the editing software. Editing software could be available in your phone, could also be available in your camera or your camcorder. Um, and there's also several free editing software available online. The lighting that I use right now is the ring. I have a 1/8-inch ring, and that works pretty good for me. Lastly, I'm down in my office, so those 5 things. Go ahead on and get started. At this time, I'm gonna ask you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Hit the notification so you'll be notified when I do make a new video. So, you have those 5 things. Go ahead on and get started.
Now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now.